Sup, back enough, you guys. I'm Real Fane Landon. Here's Amtrak P371 driving on station. The Phase 7 paint scheme. First phase of the Phase 7 paint scheme, P42. P42 Phase 7 paint scheme. Here we go. Repeat. Phase 7 paint scheme P42 on P371. There he is right now. There he is. He's right now, guys. That's so cool. You don't get Phase 7 first of the Phase 7 paint scheme. You don't usually get that the second time. First time catching it. There he is. He's right now, guys. Here he is. That's so cool. That's so cool, guys. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Don't see this? Definitely do not. It's a lot off. Should. Let's just go on the other side here. Watch them depart that way. They'll depart that way. Where he's at now. There we go. Let's try taking that picture. There we go. Nice. Real nice locomotive. Holy smokes. Here we go, it's ready to depart. Here he goes. Back up this sign right here. Here he is. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos to get on Real Fane Landon. Real Fane Landon out.